Exercise 10.3. Continue. Question number 2. Add the following. Number 1. 821.3, 43.75, 98.123. This first we have to change in like decimal, then we have to add. Okay. So first we will write like decimal. So 821 point, decimal places are how many there? Here 1, here after decimal 2 digits are there, here after decimal 3 digits. So we have to make it in 3 digits. So 300, then 43.750, then 98.123. Now we have to arrange in a column. So 821.300, 43.750, then 98.123. We have to add. Here no digits are there, so we will write here 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 we will write down, other one we will carry it over. Now this decimal point we will write in answer. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So 3 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. So 6 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So our answer is 963.173. Number 2. 81.412, 71.5, 29.5, 3.05, 0.489. So here highest decimal places are 3. Okay. So we have to make all decimals in 3 decimal places. So first is 81.412, then 71.500, then 29.500, then 3.050, then 0.489. Now we have to arrange. So first one is 81.412, then second one 71.500, then third one 29.500, then 3.050, then 0.489. We have to add. Here also no digits, this 2, so we will write here 0. Now 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 we will write down, other one will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So 9 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now we will carry down this decimal point here. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So 5 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So 18 plus 0, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. So our answer is 185.951. Number 3. 0.439, 8.07, 14.1, 56.0123. So this we have to make it in a first like decimal. So highest decimal points are, decimal places are 3, no 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to make all decimal 4 decimal places. Okay. So 0.4390, then 8.0700. So 4 decimal places, then 14.1000, then 56.0123. Now we have to arrange in a column. So So 0.4390, then 8.0700, then 14.1000, then 56.0123. Now we have to add. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Now 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 we will write down, other one will be carried over. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 0, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 we will write down, other one will be carried over. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Now this decimal point we will carry down in answer. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 16. Sorry, 12 plus 6, 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So our answer is 78.6213. Now number 4, 0.872, 0.03, 89.4, 42.438. So here highest decimal place is 3. Okay, so we have to make it in a like decimal. So 0.872, then 0.030, then 89.400, then 42.438. Okay, now we have to arrange. 0.872, then 0.030, then 89.400, then 42.438. We have to add. We will write here 0. So 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So 0 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So we will keep this decimal point. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So our answer is 132.740. Now question number 3. Rajiv bought wheat for rupees 150.45, sugar for rupees 30.48, vegetables for rupees 56.80 and spent rupees 47.80 on auto fare. How much money did he spend in all? So we will start with statement. So Rajiv, what he bought? Rajiv bought wheat. How much rupees wheat he brought? Wheat equal to rupees 150.45. Then sugar he brought. Then sugar equal to rupees 30.48. Then what he bought? Vegetables. Then vegetables equal to rupees 56.80. And he spent on auto fare. So we will write here auto fare means auto rent he given rupees 47.80. Now we have to find total how much rupees is spent in all. So first we will make it in a like decimal. See 150.45, 30.48, 56.80, 47.80. So already they are in a like decimal only. Okay, all are having 2 decimal places. So directly we will now add. So we will arrange in column. So 150.45, then 30.48, then 56 46.80, then 47.80. We have to add this, then only we come to know how much total is spent. So 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 0, 13. So 3 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 8, 25. So 5 we will write down, 2 will be carried over, and this decimal point we will keep down. So 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. This all we will write 0. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. So our answer is, how much rupees is spent? Rajiv spent rupees 285.53 in all. Now question number 4. Aman purchased 3.465 liters of pure ghee, 5.278 liters of kerosene oil and 8.475 liters of groundnut oil. Find the total quantity of ghee, kerosene oil and groundnut oil bought by him. So we have to find all total quantity, how much liter he have purchased. Okay, so first we will start with the statement. So Aman purchased, first what he purchased? Pure ghee. How much liter he purchased? 3.465 liter. Then he purchased kerosene oil. So we will write here kerosene. How much liter he purchased? 5.278 liters. Then he purchased groundnut oil. Groundnut oil, how many liters he purchased? 8.475 liter. Okay, now we have to find total quantity. So all are in a like decimal only, same decimal places are there. So now we have to add. So first we have arranged in columns. So 3.465, 5.278, then 8.475. So 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, and this decimal point we will write here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. So we will write Aman bought 17.218 liter of pure ghee, kerosene and groundnut oil.